smartphone cameras have become more advanced and accessible than ever before. Although everyone has the ability to create high-quality pictures and videos, dim lighting can make this a challenge. With dim lights, it's possible to take decent photos. But with videos, the technology hasn't existed until now. Without proper lighting, your videos will come out grainy, blurry, and underexposed. That's why you need the Firepak from Surefire. It's a smartphone video illumination tool that will help you capture high-quality pictures and videos in low-light situations. It's the most advanced smartphone illumination tool on the market, offering a perfect beam of light that fully fills up your camera's frame. While there are other products on the market, there's nothing quite like the Firepak. It's the only smartphone accessory that is reliable and gives you stunning results each and every time, up to 50 feet and slow motion. It's lightweight, portable, rechargeable, and attaches to the back of your phone when used with a Surefire phone case. The Firepak is so much more. You can use it to recharge your phone and use it as a personal safety light when needed. Here's some examples with and without the Firepak in challenging lighting conditions.
Look at the amazing difference the Firepak makes. As you can see in these examples, you can barely see what's going on in the dark, but as soon as you turn on the Firepak, wow! Your entire frame comes to life.
With its wide range and powerful light output, it truly can't be matched by anything else on the market. The sun no longer dictates when you can film. We've all been there, and we know what it's like to try filming at night. Although smartphones are equipped with lights, these aren't powerful enough to capture truly amazing content. The Firepak has multiple levels of illumination, with an output of up to 1,500 lumens that's just as powerful as a 100-watt light bulb. The light levels can be adjusted manually with its slide switch or remotely with a free Bluetooth app. Finally, you can capture the perfect moment, anytime, anywhere, and share with friends immediately. And although it works remarkably at night, it's also great for indoors, even when your subject is lit from behind. The high-quality images you're seeing are the direct result of the Firepak's refined distribution of light, which has been precisely matched for what works best with a smartphone camera. Surefire's technological advancements have allowed them to make professional quality video lighting easily accessible to anyone and everyone. And with its small size, it's easy to carry in a pocket or purse wherever you go. The Firepak projects a perfect beam of light that allows you to take the very best video with your smartphone. Capture the moment and share your memories with the world like never before.
I love my cliplet.
I love my cliplet.
I love my cliplet.
I love my cliplet.